Hi folks, it's Pammy here from Pammy's Peck of Pursuits. Today we're going to be making a great big pot of chicken curry. This will serve easily 8 people. Soups and stews are the easiest thing to add value to without adding a lot of cost. First we're going to heat some oil in my big Dutch oven here. And once that's hot, we're going to add about 3/4 of a cup of rehydrated onions. Started off with about 1/2 cup of onions and added some hot water and soaked them for about 20 minutes. Drain the water off. You've got about 3/4 of a cup of diced onion. And then we're going to add 2 or 3 cloves of chopped garlic. Once that's cooked down a little bit, we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon each of turmeric and chili powder, a teaspoon each of cumin, cinnamon, and paprika, 1 tablespoon of mixed herbs, 2 tablespoons of curry powder, and 2 bay leaf. And we're just going to dry saute that with the onions until the spices become aromatic. Just give them a wait until they start to smoke a little bit, and you can just smell those beautiful flavors. Now I'm going to add 4 cups of vegetables. You can use whatever vegetables you have on hand. I've used carrots, corn, and green beans. And then I've diced 2 large potatoes. Once that's all in, we're going to add 2 400-gram tins of diced tomatoes and 500 ml of chicken stock. Mix everything together well. Just let that soak in together, get it all mixed up, get it heating up on the stove top. Nothing like some homemade chicken stock to add to your soups and stews. Now once that's all heating through, we're going to dice 500 grams of chicken thighs. And we're going to stir those chicken thighs into the curry and get it all mixed in, and pop the lid on and simmer it covered for about 30 minutes, just until the vegetables and the chicken are all cooked through. Once everything's cooked through, I'm going to add about 2 cups of greens into my curry. Now I've used turnip greens because that's what I had a lot of. I didn't have any spinach at the time. I had heaps of turnip leaves, so turnip greens it is. It doesn't really matter what kind of greens it is, as long as it's something that can wilt down into the curry. Then just give everything a good stir. And heat that through again. And once that's all blended in, I'm going to open 1 tin of coconut cream and mix that into the curry to give it some lovely body And while I'm doing that, I'm going to put 2 cups of rice into my rice cooker with 4 cups of water. Pop that in the microwave for 15 minutes. Now once that rice is in the microwave, I'm going to give the curry a good stir, get that coconut cream stirred all through, get it all heated up through again, and then I'm going to put some naan bread in the toaster because that's easy. And then once that's all done, we are going to serve that up on a bed of jasmine rice, a lovely curry on top with some minted yogurt and a couple of naan breads. Got a beautiful meal, budget friendly, tasty, full of flavor. Thanks for watching, and I hope you come back and watch another one of my videos soon. Bye for now.